Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. Here on my channel, I'm sharing all the ways that I'm making extra income, either through day trading on the Nasdaq or stock picking. And some of my favorite stocks are income ETFs. So I'm going to share some of the ways. Well, I already said what I'm going to do, but today, this morning, we are trading the Nasdaq like I do every morning. And let's get right into it. So right off the bat here, we're in CMC Markets, not affiliated, but this is just the platform I like to use. I've been using it for over a year, and it's not perfect, but it is what it is. And here on the right hand side, we're looking at a daily chart, and I'm also looking at this fair value gap in here, and I'm hoping to drop in there today, and then we can continue up for the rest of the week. But we'll do that. That's the 5-minute chart, and then like I do every morning, I'm going to copy some numbers over from yesterday from TradingView. So we're on a 1-minute chart, and we want yesterday's closing price of 22,224 regular trading hours down here at the bottom. Oh, we lost me. Sorry. Float on top. Move this over here. Okay, 22,224 regular trading hours is found right here down the bottom corner. 22,224, did I say? Yes, 224. So we're going to draw our line. 224 is right there. We're going to change that to orange. So we do have a little bit of an opening range here that we can work with. Looking to get that closed. And we can go back to TradingView. I'm going to change this to electronic trading hours. We have our ICT kill zones and pivots indicator on. And I want the London high here at 22,276. 22,276. Gonna be somewhere up here, I think. 76. So somewhere in here. So we got that. We got some equal highs here somewhere. No. These are relatively equal highs. And then we got also these relatively equal highs from yesterday still that were not taken out. This is yesterday's trading coming all the way down. I did get out of my position early, taking the first fair value gap, which was, let's see if I can, the initial fair value gap yesterday was right here. And I took a trade. Where was it? That happened. It was probably right about here. Yeah, 40. And my target was down here, and I closed out as soon as we got here. And it would have been good for 60 points. And on our spreadsheet, not pages, sorry. That's numbers. Here it is. That wasn't a loss. That was actually a win for 60 points. Which brings our running total of 49 trades. Total 1,154 points positive over 49 trades. And 49 trades, 29 wins. So 29, I'll do the math for you guys so you can see it. 29 wins divided by 49 trading days equals a 59% win-loss ratio. And like I said, we're positive. Come on. Ugh. I don't like how it does that. We are positive 1,154 points. So it is a profitable strategy, and we will try to stick to our guns today and not close out trades early just because I feel like it's going to turn around on me. So that is my problem. I keep, not sticking to my system and leaving money on the table. And then I even took a reversal here. So I even gave back my wins. As we can see here, we're below the 3,500 bucks that I was up yesterday. So don't revenge trade after I turn off the camera, and just stick to the model. And it's these lines that I put on that really actually distract me, thinking that once we reach them that we're going to turn around or something like that. But here's some relatively equal lows that I can target as well. Anyway, so good luck today. 10 seconds. We're going to open up and we'll get our two charts on here. We're going to put the 10-second chart on this side, and there we go. Here comes the first candle. We're going to mark out the opening price here. I always make it pink, purple, whatever color. Doesn't matter. We've been up for a while. It's 6:30 here on the West Coast. New York Open, it's 9:30. We've already been up for 2 hours. I go to the gym every morning, and I'm feeling much more awake today. I even got my hook out. So, also got exciting news. I'm getting on a flight today, so I won't be making a video tomorrow or Friday. I'll be in Cold Lake, Alberta, filming. One of the other ways I make money is I film a fishing TV show, and you can find that on Sportsman Channel Canada or the World Fishing Network, and the show is called Lisa Roper Outdoors. She'll also be starting a YouTube channel and starting to blast stuff off, I think in what did she say, April or something like that. Anyway, we got our first fair value gap forming already, and let's see here. We'll get the chart going. Remove the take profit. Shit. Stop loss. Going short. And yeah, let's go. We're in. No, I didn't measure my stop loss properly. What do we got here? 2.6. I want more than that. If this is 22208, I want 13. Okay, modify, and let's measure this out too. For our entry, 23 points. Our take profit will be, 1.5 times the risk. So 1.5 times, we'll make it 24 points, is 36. Whoops, That's not right. 36 points on the take profit. Okay. We're in. We're set up. And now we do the hardest part, and that's wait. So this will give me some time to talk about the stocks that I'm into. I just did, what did I sell yesterday? So last week I sold a bunch of Palantir so I can buy some BABA. What are we doing here? So I have a large position in BABA, and let's see here. What else do I got? Cooper Standard. I bought a bunch of Cooper Standard yesterday. I bought EL, so Estee Lauder, 71 bucks. And if you look, their high during COVID was 367. So that's going to be good for a 4-banger. We tapped into that fair value gap, and then now hopefully going to keep on going. What else we got? Albemarle. This is a lithium play, and the 5-year chart on that also 325. We got it down in the 80s. I'm gonna follow this stock. Oh, I gotta sign in. I'm just gonna pull up my phone here. Everybody's down at the moment. PayPal. I bought PayPal. Also another one that's gonna rip. 300 bucks, down in the high 70s. CRK. This is a materials play. You know, what's the high here? Something's not right here. Oh, yeah, it was way back here. A high of 422. We got it down in 18 bucks, I think, yesterday. Something like that. So that would be nice if we can get back to, man, that'd be crazy. 400 bucks. Who else is on my list? Let's check in on our trade here quick. Oh, we lost. Oh well, that's what we get. What can we see here? So she just dropped right down into this fair value gap here, and then took off in the other direction. Created another fair value gap, closing in that opening range, and yeah, it could bounce here. It's early, 7 minutes in on a loss. Let's do it. We'll do a limit order. If it drops back down, then we'll take it. Something like that. Okay. Back to the stocks. What else we got? Yeah, if you guys don't have Alibaba, this thing has been on a tear if you want to look just in the last month. $85 all the way up to 127. If you want to go to the 5-year high back in 2018, 309, and we're at 127. So this is still an easy double. So keep an eye out on that. And Cooper Standard. Super boring stock. I think they make weather stripping seals for cars. And this thing's at the high here in 2021. What have we got? $47. And we're down in $15. So easy double on that one. And yeah, I'm excited for 2025. I think we're going to have some good moves. I sold MSTR yesterday and my Bitcoin, BTCC. I have a lot of MSTY and like, yeah, 580 shares or something like that. So I think my Bitcoin exposure is too great. Look at this. Another losing trade. Man. You know what? I can't help myself. I'm going for it. I'm doing another market order, but a limit order. Back here. Actually, I'm just going to do a market order. Let's go. And this is why I'm a bad trader. You know what? Yeah. Just a bad trader. So, well, what's done is done. So let's target these equal lows down here. And where are they in that daily chart? That's targeting yesterday's low. And I'm even going to target, you know what? What day is this? Friday's low. $22,068. Let's go for it. Go to my positions. Take profit. Trade from chart. And Friday's low. Friday's open. Let's go to Friday's open. Right there. Okay. And that's how you become a bad trader. By revenge trading. 3 trades in the first 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm not proud of that. But the damage is done. It is what it is. If anything, all I can do is maybe we can wait a little bit and move our stop to 0. So that's where we're at. So yeah, we can go back to some of the stocks. So I got my RSP account in Canada, and that's where I own all the Yield Max MSTY. This thing has a crazy yield of about 100%, and every 4 weeks it pays me a dividend. Well, it's actually a distribution, and let's see here. We'll pull it up here. They have a lot of funds, some of them good, some of them bad. I've talked about a little bit in the past, but this one is my favorite. 103% distribution. So, like I said, I got like 580 shares. It's about $20,000 Canadian. And at 103%, I should double my money every year. So, because I reinvest every single distribution, so $20,000 should be $40,000 a year from now, and it's about $1,500 a month right now. But that $1,500 should be $3,000 a month. So when I talk about not wanting to work anymore, MSTY is going to be a big part of that. Just by reinvesting the dividends, I should be able to replace my workplace income and retire. And I'm hoping by the time this guy replaces my workplace income, I'll also be a decent trader. So we'll see. I would love to be able to day trade for half an hour in the morning every day, and just live off my distributions for the rest of the income that I need. And the plan is to move to Mexico during the winters, because we still love the summers here in Canada, especially on Vancouver Island. The weather's great here. We have beaches and the ocean, and we got a little boat, and we go salmon fishing and lingcod. So we got a pretty good life here on the island. And the winters aren't even that bad, but my wife's going to be able to work remotely. She's got a counseling business that she's starting up in May, and we're going to take Flynn with us. Flynn's on the floor, and enjoy the sun in Mexico over the winters. So I'd just like to push a little bit away from where we're at here. I move my stop to 0. I might even move my stop now. At least maybe to the opening price. Since I've been so bad. Just want to reduce my risk a little bit here. $24. I can live with that for taking 3 revenge trades. But so the model is the ICT first presented fair value gap. And like I said, it's got a, what was it, a 59% win-loss ratio. And instead of just taking the loss, I jumped into another trade. And yeah, not very smart. But looks like we opened up, we took out these relatively equal lows and then went up and almost closed that opening day range and then continued lower. Well, back to where we were. Now we're consolidating, so we'll see what happens here. But we're getting to 10 minutes to 7, and Flynn needs a walk, and I need to get ready for work. I got my flight to get ready for. I got to unplug this camera and pack it in my bag. I'm super nervous that I'm going to forget about this thing here. And here we go. Now we got a nice push lower. And I might even move my stop loss to 0 now. This is looking nice. We can make up for our poor decisions. Yeah, I like this. This looks good. I think we're finally on side here of where I was looking to go today. I was looking for lower prices and we started going that way, but we had to move up, I guess, above the opening price first. So, all right, guys. Well, you can stay in this trade, back test it, see how it panned out. I targeted Friday's opening price, basically. But I have a feeling that we're going to come into this daily range here, or this daily fair value gap. I bet you we'll come right into this fair value gap right here. I bet you we'll hit that guy before turning around, if not the middle. But we'll take this trade, and we'll catch you next week since I'm flying out. Gonna do some filming, gonna do some ice fishing here, Cold Lake, and we'll try to stick to our model. Enjoy the rest of the week, guys. Good luck.